Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious chorizo and potato puffy taco that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare these amazing puffy tacos of chorizo with potato, these are the ingredients. I have 2 cups of maseca, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, half a tablespoon of salt. For the potato and chorizo, I have salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, half a tablespoon of black pepper, 1 cup and a half of warm water, 1 stick of chorizo, pork chorizo, half an onion, 2 tomatoes, 4 potatoes, and this is everything we need. So let's get started. First things first, making the dough. I'm using 2 cups of maseca, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, half a tablespoon of salt, and 1 cup and a half of very warm water. Add the water slowly, okay, a little bit at a time. Start mixing, and then if you need to add a little more, continue. But for two cups of maseca, I use only 1 cup and a half of water. Okay, now I am ready to make a cylinder. Try to make it as nice as possible so that I can cut it in half, and I can make my little portions of the dough for the puffy taco. Yes, I'm going to make a little circle for each one, put it in this bowl, cover it with saran wrap, and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. Now I'm ready to start slicing away all my onion, dice it in small little pieces, and then continue with my 2 tomatoes. Look at this. Just cut your ingredients almost the same size so that everything cooks at the same time. The potatoes are nice and cleaned. I'm going to get the skin off of the potatoes, making sure that I cut all the potatoes the same way. I'm going to cube the potatoes in small little pieces because I really want you to see the little pieces of the potato in the puffy taco. This puffy taco comes out so delicious and amazing, and is perfect for this summer. You make it, you could just leave it there and then enjoy it whenever you want to. Of course, the potato, I'm going to add a little bit of water, cover it so it doesn't get brown. I have all the ingredients here. The chorizo is pork chorizo. You add it into your bowl, and then of course you don't need to babysit. Add everything, incorporate everything, cook it in medium heat. Once everything is nice and incorporated, just like that, remember you are cooking it in medium heat. So I'm going to go ahead, cover it, and then leave it for at least 20 minutes, nice and covered, so all the juices and the oil will surrender. And now that all the juices and oil is there, I'm going to go ahead and start adding the potato, the cubed potatoes. I'm going to add the potatoes, incorporate it really good, cover everything with the chorizo mixture. Once everything is nice and covered, I'm going to add the spices. 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar, half a tablespoon of black pepper, and salt to taste. Once everything is incorporated, cover it for 5 minutes and continue cooking at medium heat. After the 5 minutes, you want to go ahead, stir it a little bit, and then check your potato and see if it's ready or if it still needs more to cook. I like it al dente. Please don't overcook the potato. If you overcook the potato, it's going to get really mushy. Now the potato is just perfect. I'm going to remove and I'm going to start making my puffy tacos. Look at this. I'm going to get my tortilla press. I'm going to add everyone on its own, just like that. I have some non-stick paper here, parchment paper, and I'm going to continue doing it like that. Look at this. When you do it this way, all your puffy tacos come out the same size, and this is exactly how you want them, okay? When your oil is nice and hot, then you are ready. You are ready to start adding your tortillas for your puffy tacos. The oil needs to be nice and hot to add a regular piece of tortilla. If it floats to the top, that means that it is ready. Of course, this dough is going to puff really good, and once it's nice and puffy, turn it around and then make the indentation. Just like that. That easy. Once it gets nice and puffy, you are ready to flip it and do the indentation. Get it nice and golden brown, and you are ready. Have ready a plate with napkins so that you could remove the excessive oil of the puffy taco. I'm gonna continue making the rest, but look at this. They get really fluffy. Once they're nice and fluffy, you are ready to flip and make the indentation. This is more consuming, but believe me, these tacos come out amazing. Well, I'm going to continue making the rest. Let me show you that I used a rack to get all the excessive oil out of my puffy tacos. I am ready to start building my puffy taco with all the amazing filling of the chorizo and potato. My mouth is even watering. I have this roasted green salsa that you already have on my channel. It's roasted tomatillo salsa. It's not too spicy, it's just delicious. I'm gonna be very generous with the filling. I'm gonna add some lettuce, some cheese, and some sour cream, and then I am ready to enjoy. If you got up to this part of the video, you love it, you like it, please leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media, and be part of my family. I can't wait to enjoy. I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in just a little bit. Remember, this salsa, you already have it on my playlist. Roasted tomatillo salsa. I'll see you in just a little bit. Can't wait to taste. My friends, I am completely done with these amazing puffy tacos made of chorizo with potato. I added some sour cream. I added roasted green salsa that you already have on my channel. But this is the part I love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. Amazing. You need to try them. You need to enjoy them with your beautiful family. When you cook with love, everything comes out amazing. Enjoy these amazing puffy tacos with Cooking with Gloria. If you liked and love this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives. so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated, so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And see you on my next amazing recipe. Bye-bye.